Hello and welcome. I am Raghav and today I am going to tell you a very interesting story. Once upon a time, there was a monk who lived in a beautiful monastery. He was a very famous teacher and many of his students grew up to become masters themselves. One day, one of the students was caught stealing and he was reported to the monk. The monk did not take any action. After a few days, the same student was caught stealing again and he was again brought to the master, but the monk again did not punish him and did not take any action. This irritated the other students and they decided to draw up a petition, and they said that either this student should be expelled out of the monastery or all of them will leave the monastery. The monk decided to call for a meeting with the students and he said that if you boys leave this monastery, you will have no trouble in joining any other good school. But this person, this boy who had stolen, he does not even know the difference between right and wrong, and I cannot leave him even if that means that I have to let go of all of you. The boy listened to all of this and it changed his life. He started crying and then he studied and grew up to become one of the best masters. I hope this will give you new motivation and I will meet you next Sunday. Thank you for watching.